Good morning, teacher. My name is Daniel Ortiz, and I'm going to talk about the Redlang web page. This web page is useful for us when we want to increase our vocabulary or the vocabulary of our students. In this case, this offers us some lectures of different kinds, and it can give us a translation of the words that we don't understand. The first step to use this web page is when once you enter at this page, it will give you an option to choose what language are you learning and what is your first language. In this case, I choose I'm learning English and I know Spanish. This is the first step. Choose a language to learn. I choose English in my case. Then sync up to Redlang. You need to have a web account to enter this page. You can create an account with your account of Google or any kind of account. The same page will give you the option of that. In this case, I enter with my account from the university. Then find text to read. The next step is find text to read. In this case, we are going to find it in the library. Click in this option, library, and it gives you the option by what kind of lecture we want to read. And we can choose all, fiction, non-fiction, song, conversation, and other. In this case, I choose fiction. The fiction lectures. In this case, I choose fiction lectures. Let's see what option we have here. We have Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and let's choose Gilgamesh, Part 3, Story of Gilgamesh. Once you choose the lecture that you are going to read, you have to wait that the page changes, and once it happens, a video will appear next to the lecture. Here we have the lecture. We need to wait for the video. And my internet is low, so it can be late. Well, the video is charging. So once we choose the lecture, it's going to appear the video with the lecture. Okay. Okay. As we can see here, once we choose our lecture, a video is going to appear reading our lecture. In this case, we can just stop the video and read by ourselves. In this case, the person in the video have read until brother. And the wild man in the previous episode, Gilgamesh and Enku walked to Levon, where they fought the dragon and cedar forest called Umbaba. Now they are returning home. So here gives us how can we use it. If we don't understand one word of here, we just have to put a click here. And we just have to click in the word that we don't understand. Let's see, for example, accent. Once you click in the word, above the word will appear the translation in Spanish on your first language. In this case, accent is antiguo. So let's see another word. Life. Let's see here, levantado. Okay. It can give us this. We can use it to improve our vocabulary or teach new vocabulary to our children. That is all for my presentation, teacher. Thanks so much.